To use a Windows tablet or laptop remotely with M-Series, we'll first go to the blue quick menu, enter the main menu, and go to Network. In the Settings tab, we'll need to make sure that MaxNet is turned on. Once MaxNet is turned on, we'll connect to our show from our second device. From your laptop or tablet, you'll then want to click Join Show from the MPC startup screen. Check to make sure that your Wi-Fi interface is turned on and MaxNet is enabled. Of course, you need to be on the same network as your console for this all to work. Perfect. Now let's go to Shows, and we're going to see any shows that are on the network. Right now I've got the training show open on my main computer, so I can press Join Show. I'll press Yes to join. You'll see the notification right away that the console is running Slave in the MaxNet network. Once the show file loads, you'll be able to see in the upper left-hand corner the word Slave next to the MPC quick menu. This will verify that you are connected successfully as a slave and are able to remotely control the main console.